I'm here to tell you about why you should go to UK to study. Before I start, I think there is a couple of videos which I want you to watch. So let's listen from students directly who are studying in the UK. Because I went to UK as a student on student visa. I remained there. I completed my studies, and then I achieve my goals, and I come back to serve my country back. So if you have any questions, you can ask me after the presentation. Here to tell you why you should choose UK as your study destination. Okay, let me tell you a little brief about UK. UK is, welcome people from all over the world with its vibrant cities and gentle countryside. Uh, UK, UK's lifestyle is very, diverse. There are students from all over the world, and UK is friendly and welcoming place for people from all over the countries, for all cultures and faiths. When we compare to other countries like Canada, Australia, America, less duration. UK offers a bachelor degree for 3 years. In comparison, in America and Canada, it's 4 year bachelor. In Australia, 3 to 4 years. So master degree in UK is just for 1 year, and other countries 1 to 2 years. So good quality. UK is education leader, like a global education leader. So cost effectiveness wise, when we compare tuition fee and living expenses in the UK, it's far cheaper than other comparative countries. Top universities in the world, as I said, UK is global education leader. UK's education system is highly respected. As you named some universities like Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, Imperial College London, they are like top. When you say top five, universities, they come in that ranking. So variety of courses, as I said, UK's education system is highly respected, and they offer like broad choice of postgrad and undergrad programs. Next slide, please. So this is basically the map of UK. UK made up of 4 countries. I don't know if you heard before. The top is Scotland. That is one country. Its capital is Edinburgh. And then on the left side, that's Northern Ireland. That's another independent country. Its capital is Belfast. And then the light blue on the left hand side is Wales. Its capital is Cardiff. And then the biggest country in UK is England, which consists of that 5 to 6 regions: southwest, southeast, London, eastern, East Midland, West Midland, Yorkshire, northeast, and northwest. So there are like more universities in England, but there are some reputable universities in Scotland and Wales and Northern Ireland as well. So next slide, please. This is very famous London underground map. If you go to study in London, you should, we call it like you should hifz this map. You can subways, yes. This is very famous in London actually. Any part of the London you want to go, you should use this underground because they cover all of the London. So you can see different colors: yellow, green, red. We can't see like proper colors in this slide, but there are like trains known by their colors and names. So if you have a route from north to west, you should remember that which train you should take and then change at what stop. So basically this is very interesting thing about London as well, that people love to go to underground, to travel in underground. So next slide, please. Okay, now I will try to explain you process about, like, if you want to go to study in UK, what process is involved. Let's start from first step. The first step is to decide which university and course you would like to go. Of course, this is like your bit. You need to do a little bit research. We can assist in that as well, but that's up to you. You choose the university and course and then apply for admission. We assist with admission as well. So once you apply for admission, it's time to accept your offers. We normally apply around 3 universities. So once you have offers, it's up to you which one you choose. Once you choose the offer, then it's time to arrange your finances, to arrange your bank statement. I'll explain in later slide about the bank statement process as well. So once everything sorted, it's time to apply for visa. We do assist in visa consultancy as well, and then arrange for your accommodation. Obviously, that's a new country. Uh, if you going to live in a university hostel or accommodation, then you need to know the deadlines, or you can arrange your accommodation privately. We assist in that matter as well, and then all done, ready to fly. Right. So next slide, please. Okay, now how to apply for student visa. As I said before, the first step is to secure your offer. To secure your offer, you need a little bit of documentation, and then we can help with that. After that, you need to pay your university fee. University fee ranges from 12,000 to 25,000 pounds, depend which university and which course you choose. And you normally UK universities, they ask for around 40% to 90% initial deposit. Just pay like whatever deposit they ask for. And then after that, prepare your bank statement. So for UK, you need only 1 month bank statement. And the money should be remain in your bank statement for the whole 1 month. How much money should it be? Your tuition fee for 1 year, and then London or outside London maintenance allowance. I'll explain in later slide how much they are. So basically, you need to be have that money in your bank account for 1 month, and then it's time to apply for your CAS letter, confirmation of acceptance of studies. Like once you secure your admission, you have your bank statement with you. You have paid for university fee. Before CAS, some universities they do undertake a credibility interview review in order to get your unconditional offer or your cash letter. So once you have your cash letter, then it's time to apply for UK study visa. Right, next slide, please. All right. There are some benefits while you're studying in UK. Of course, every country have their own merits and demerits. While you study in UK, you get a chance to work part time, 20 hours a week, in term time and on weekends. And when it's off term, you can work full time, of course. The second point is work placement, a sandwich year, which you can get while you're studying in the UK. Then post-study work visa called graduate visa. After you successfully complete your degree, you get a chance to get your graduate visa. This visa will allow you to explore UK market fully, to furnish and to explore your skills you learned from your degree. So for 2 years, you'll be free to work anywhere you want, in any field you want. Specifically, if you get a chance to work in your field, the same field like you have completed your studies in, then there's a chance you get like permanent employment. There are opportunities in UK for that as well. If you are successful in getting a sponsored job, then you will get UK PR in 5 years time. So complete your degree, get your graduate visa, get a sponsored job, remain in UK 5 year, and get your PR. And of course, the last point, it's very good return of investment. When we talk about our finances, obviously